in this episode how to solve exponential equations. Coming up. Keep watching. Hey guys, in this episode I'm going to break it down how to solve exponential equations step by step. Suppose you are given something to raise to the x equals a number 32. So exponential equation, basically it's an equation where your variable, your x, or it could be another variable, is located in exponent of your expression. So exponent, so power x, your variable. So, and you are looking for x, so you have to solve for x. Find x, the value of x. As a rule of thumb, you want to express all terms on both sides, on the left side, and also on the right side, to the same base. As soon as you have the same base on the left and on the right sides, you can just come up and set their exponents equal each other. So that's the point. For the first one, check to see if anything in this 32 is a power of 2. So basically, just by inspection, you can notice that 32 is expressible as a perfect power of the base 2, since 32 is 2 raised to what power? Ask yourself. Yeah, it's the 5th power, since 2 times 2 times 2 5 times gives you this 32. And we could write this. Now, at this stage, you have the same base, 2. You can just take these exponents and you can set them equal to each other. So your x is 5. You can basically check out your answer. You can just simply put this 5 into x and you would come up with the identity. Moving on. What if you are given something a half raised to the power equals 8 and you are looking for x? Very similar to this one that we did before, the previous one. Now, what you can do, you can just inverse this fraction 1 over 2. It's basically the same thing as 2 to the negative x. So basically a negative power indicates that the base has to be inverted. So you take the reciprocal of the base. And again, 8 is expressible as a power of this base 2. Is 2 cubed, since 2 times 2 times 2 gives you back 8. So again, as soon as we have the same base, we could set the powers equal to each other. So just watch out, you have this negative in front of x, you have to keep it, you have to carry it on. So that's why your x basically becomes just negative 3. And this is answer. This is the solution, or root, if you like, for this equation. I will give you another look, another way of solving that one. What if I want to just keep this base 1 over 2 to the x? So 8 also can be expressed as a 1 over 2, same base, but not the 3rd power, but negative 3rd power. So here we came up with the same base, which is a half, not 2. So set the powers equal to each other. So you would come up with x equals -3. As you could see, the same answer. Moving on, how about this one? Alright, little tip, little bonus tip. Of course, one can be expressed as anything, any base raised to the 0 power. Anything raised to the zero power gives you 1. In this case, I have base 10, so rewrite left side as is, and instead of 1, I'm going to write 10 to the 0 power. Why 10? Why I pick 10? Why I chosen 10? Because my base is 10, so I want to make the same base, express all terms to the same base. Now, you have the same base. As soon as you have it, leave them behind and come up with powers equal to each other. So you want to take these powers. So here you have x plus 1. So it's not x, it's x plus 1. So you have to keep the entire power. So x plus 1, you set it equal to 0. Now, you come up with a basic elementary equation, linear equation for x, and you solve it normally. So what you would do, you just subtract 1 from both sides of this equation, and it becomes x equals -1. This is the solution, this is the root for this equation. Rolling on, moving on. How about this one? So you have 3 on the left side raised to this power that your variable is located in. So check to see if anything in this fraction is a power of 3. So by inspection, 3 to the 4th power is 81. But you are not given 81, you are given 1 over 81, the reciprocal, the inverted version. So rewrite your left side as is, but instead of this fraction, I'm going to write 3 to the -4. Now, as soon as you have the same base, leave them behind and set the powers, the exponent, equal to each other. So you would come up with equals -4. Again, this is basic elementary equation for x. So you solve it normally as you would do the linear equation. I would move x, -x, to the right side by flipping the sign, and I will write it just in a reverse order. And move -4 to the left side. So you need to switch, you need to swap the sign in front. So it becomes 5, it becomes 4 plus 1, 5. This is my root, this is the solution for that one. I hope it helps. I know everyone hates maths, but if you like my video, please click like, share with your friends, leave the comment down below and subscribe. You will not miss my new videos. Train your brain.